Hello class 3 students, welcome to you in class English class. Today we should discuss about the question answer. It means we should do the exercise page number 28. I have already taught you the lesson 2, the crane and the fish. Okay, I would like to request to all the students, please you should listen the video again more than 2 or 3 times. Okay, after listening the video, then you should do the question answer. है हजुरलाई म एकचोटि फेरि भिडियो त्यो सुन्न रिक्वेस्ट गर्छु र हजुरले सुनिसकेपछि क्वेसन आन्सर गर्ने. ओके, लिसन द क्वेसन आन्सर. पेज नम्बर 28. Comprehension. Answer the following question. Okay. Number A. Why were the crane standing by the lake? Listen the answer. The crane were standing by the lake to catch fish. The crane were standing by the lake to catch fish. Number B. Did they catch a fish? Yes, they caused a fish. Yes, they caused C-A-U-G-H-T. Caused a fish. Yes, they caused a fish. Number C. Why did they start quarreling? They started quarreling over who would get a large part of the fish they had caused. Listen it again. They started quarreling over who should get a large part of the fish they had caused. Listen it again. They started quarreling over who should get a large part of the fish they had caused. Number D. Why did the jackal come to the lakeside? The jackal had come to the lakeside to catch a fish. The jackal had come to the lakeside to catch a fish. Number E. What did he offer to do? He offered to help the cranes by acting as their judge. Listen it again. He offered to help the crane by acting as their judge. Listen it again. He offered to help the cranes by acting as their judge. Number F. The question is, what did he pretend to do? He pretended to be deep in thought. He pretended to be deep in thought. Listen it again. He pretended, P-R-E-T-E-N-D-D, to be deep in thought. Number G. The question is, did he divide the fish equally? No, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Number H. What happened at last? At last he picked up the fish and ran away. At last he picked up the fish and ran away. At last he picked up the fish and ran away. This is okay. The question are finished also. Okay, listen more than 2 or 3 times and you should write correctly. Number 2. Match the given parts of sentence says correctly. Okay. Number 2. One day, 2 cranes stood by a lake. One day, 2 cranes stood by a lake. Number 2. The lake was full of big fish. The lake was full of big fish. Number 3. They decided to divide the fish between them. They decided to divide the fish between them. A jackal had been watching all this. A jackal had been watching all this. A jackal had been watching all this. Okay. Next. His wife had expressed a desire to eat fish. His wife had expressed a desire to eat fish. Next. Please help us decide who should get the larger share. Who should get the larger share. Please help us decide who should get the larger share. Please help us decide who should get the larger share. Next, the jackal pretended to be deep in thought. The jackal pretended to be deep in thought. The jackal pretended to be deep in thought. Next, he reached home and gave the fish to his wife. He reached home and gave the fish to his wife. This is also finished. Okay, so right. Next, please, page number 29. Discuss these questions and answer. Okay, A and B. Discuss this question and answer. Why were the crane deceived? The crane were deceived because they quarreled between themselves. The crane were deceived because they quarreled between them. The crane were deceived because they quarreled between themselves. Okay, number B. What lesson do you learn from the story? We learn that we should behave wisely. We should behave wisely. Please stop. We should not quarrel over small issues. We should not quarrel over small issues. Write it again. We learn that we should behave wisely. Please stop. We should not quarrel over small issues. Listen it again. We learn that we should behave wisely. Please stop. We should not quarrel over small issues. This is all finished. Okay. Listening text. Okay. We are not able to do it now. है यो क्यासेट सुन्नुपर्ने हुन्छ यसलाई पछि क्लासमा हामी गर्छौं नेक्स्ट प्लिज ग्रामर यु शुड लुक द ग्रामर है यसरी पेज नम्बर 30 हुन्छ है स्पिकिङमा हेर्नुस् त all of you this is the picture you should read yourselves this is the speaking है पेज नम्बर यो हेर्नुस् र पढ्नुस् हजुरको काम हो यसमा है ओके पेज नम्बर 31 grammar simple past. Okay, the grammar simple past. Okay, we have the three types of tense. है तीन प्रकारको टेन्सहरु हुन्छ present, past, future. Present means now, past means before now, future means after now. Okay, after now है अहिले भन्दा पछि past भनेको जो बितिसकेको छ त्यसलाई past tense भन्छ है ओके in past there is simple past है पास्टमा पनि चारवटा ब्रान्चेसहरु हुन्छ सिम्पल पास्ट पास्ट कन्टिन्युअस पास्ट परफेक्ट कन्टिन्युअस okay today we should read simple past tense. All of you look the book page number 31 the read and learn. Two cranes stood by the lake. They wanted to catch the fish. A jackal walked up to the crane. Okay, in this sentence the clear word stood, wanted, walked are action verb. Okay, action verb means they are main verb. Okay, otherwise which verb shows an action that is called action verb. है यिहरु मेन verb हो यिहरु action verb हो जो कलर गरेको वर्डहरु stood, wanted, walked है they are in the past form. In the past form means there is verb to form. Okay, there are verb to form है यो के छ verb to छ है stood, wanted, walked they are verb to form. We have already taught you in class जुन एक्सन भर्बहरु हामीले verb 1 verb 2 verb 3 verb 4 verb 5 भनेर हजुरलाई सिकाएको छौं है verb 1 verb 2 verb 3 you should read yourself. जस्तै go, went, gone. Go verb 1, went verb 2, gone verb 3. In verb 4 you should make yourself just like after verb 1 we should use ing है verb 1 को पछाडी ing एड गरिसकेपछि के हुन्छ त्यो verb 4 हुन्छ अनि verb 5 लाई verb 1 को पछि s वा es थपेपछि के हुन्छ verb 5 हुन्छ. फर एक्जाम्पल going then goes है यसरी बनाउनु होला है यो हामीले सिकाइसकेको छ. We use simple past tense to talk about something that started and finished at a time in the past. है simple past भन्दा बित्तिकै जुन पहिले कुनै काम सुरु भएको थियो र सिद्धिसक्यो है सुरु भयो अनि सिद्धिसक्यो भन्ने कुरा यसले जुन ओके बिफोर नाउ आई अलरेडी टोल्ड यु अहिले भन्दा अगाडिको समय है भन्ने जुन काम सुरु पनि भयो सिद्धिसक्यो भन्ने यसले बताउँछ है यसको के हुन्छ सब्जेक्ट ओके द स्ट्रक्चर याद गर्नुहोस् सब्जेक्ट भर्ब टु अब्जेक्ट ही एट राइस he wrote a letter. This is simple past. The word stood, wanted and walked are derived from stand, want and walk. And the stand बाट stood बाट छ okay want बाट wanted छ then walk बाट walked छ हो यो verb to भनेको यो यिनी सबै के हुन् भवन यसलाई भवनमा verb to गरेको यो है to change an action words into past form we usually added ed look at the example below है कुनै verb को पछाडी ed थपेपछि त्यसलाई verb to गर्न सकिन्छ फर एक्जाम्पल play को played rain rained cook cooked wait waited okay you should add ed okay after भवन को पछाडी ed थपेपछि verb to गरिन्छ okay there are some exception भनेको अपवाद with a slight change in स्पेलिङ सबै त्यसरी मिल्दैन है केही के छ भन्नुहुन्छ नि अपवाद रूपमा अरु छ जस्तै हामीले LIVD हेर्नुस् है लभ LOVD स्लाइड चेन्ज इन स्पेलिङ भन्यो नि है LOVD है डी मात्रै थप्यो LIVD है ओन्ली डी है SMILED DNCD यदि लास्टमा ई छ भने you should use only D है स्पेलिङमा फरक छ यो नाउ रीड द स्टोरी एन्ड मार्क अल द verbs that are in simple past tense ओके अब हजुरले अगाडि जुन स्टोरी हामीले पढिसक्यौं है त्यो स्टोरीको अब त्यो बुकमा जानुहोस् र सिम्पल पास्ट verb to भएको के गर्नुहुन्छ नि अन्डरलाइन गर्नुहोस् verb पत्ता लगाउनुहोस् जो verb to छ त्यसलाई अन्डरलाइन गर्नु होला है अनि लुक इन पेज नम्बर 31 नम्बर 1 हेर्नु त एक्सरसाइज अब हामी एक्सरसाइज गर्छौं यसलाई अफर्मेटिभ छ भने सब्जेक्ट verb to object नेगेटिभ सब्जेक्ट डिड नट प्लस verb 1 प्लस अब्जेक्ट क्वेशन डिड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस verb 1 प्लस अब्जेक्ट प्लस क्वेशन मार्क दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ओके दिस आर द स्ट्रक्चर अफर्मेटिभ नेगेटिभ इन्टिग्रेटिभ है राइट द पास्ट फर्म्स अफ दिस verbs अब हजुरले यसको पास्ट फर्म लेख्ने यो verb को पास्ट फर्महरु बनाउने हो है ओके अराइभ ARRIVED ओके नम्बर 2 स्टार्ट STARTED गर्नुस् वर्क WORKED walk WLKED okay you should add ed at last LUGH CLEN clean CLEANED है यानी थप्नुस् OPN OPENED WNTED wanted HAPPEN LOOK look LOOKED ओके यी verb को पछाडी सबै verb पछाडी हजुरले ed थप्ने राइट add ed है आफ्टर दिस verb है यसको पछाडी सबैमा ed थप्नु होला यसरी यो बनाउने हो है अनि अब नम्बर 2 मा छ फिल इन द ओके करेक्ट अन्त पेज नम्बर हजुरले हेर्नुस् 32 मा हेर्नुस् अल अफ यु टर्न पेज फिल इन द करेक्ट सिम्पल पास्ट फर्म्स अफ द verb इन द ब्राकेट्स है ब्राकेटमा दिएको verb लाई सिम्पल पास्टमा गर्ने हो सिम्पल पास्ट भनेको verb to आई हैव अलरेडी टोल्ड यु है यस्ता verb फर्महरु हजुरको ग्रामर बुक अथवा हजुरको इंग्लिश बुकमा दिएको हुन्छ verb 1 verb 2 verb 3 यु शुड इट है प्रेजेन्ट पास्ट पार्टिसिपल भनेर दिएको छ त्यो पढ्नु होला है ओके नम्बर 1 he did learn english he learned LEARNed english त्यो के गर्ने हजुरले लर्न गर्नुस् LEARNed learned ओके नम्बर ओके बी मा I did like verb apples I liked LIKED apples LIKED गर्नुस् I liked apples okay number C मा हेर्नुस् they did ask many question they asked asked many question त्यसलाई asked गर्नुस् verb to गर्नुस् नम्बर डी मा we did open the window We opened, O-P-E-N-E-D. We opened the window. Okay, number E. She did not talk to Dipesh. She talked. T-L-K-E-D. And the T-L-K-E-D. Talked to Dipesh. Number F. They did walk at the weekend. They walked. W-R-K-E-D. They walked at the weekend. Number G. We did rent a flat in Kathmandu. Okay. We rented R-E-N-T-E-D. We R-E-N-T-E-D. We rented a flat in Kathmandu. Number H. Okay. यसमा हेर्नुस् त. The crane that did need help. The crane needed help. N-E-E-D-D needed. N-E-E-D-D needed help. Number I. The other crane that okay, the verb is help here. The other crane helped here. H-E-L-P-D. Helped her. Okay. Last, the jackal that pretend to be deep in thought. The jackal pretended to be deep in thought. Pretended. P-R-E-T-E-N-D-D. Okay. This is also finished. Then all of you should look the book page number 32 को हेर्नु त. We can form negative of simple past by adding did not. Okay, did not before the simple forms of the verb. For the verbs be, we just add not after was or were. त के भन्यो भने सिम्पल पास्टलाई नेगेटिभ गर्दाखेरि did not थप्ने हो. did not प्लस verb 1 गर्ने हो. फर इक्जाम्पल, he ate rice. He did not eat rice. Okay, after did we should make verb form 1, base verb form. है verb 1 गर्ने हो. है यसरी याद गर्नुस्. यदि if there was or were, okay, नेगेटिभ गर्दाखेरि यदि was र were छ भने त्यसको पछाडि नथप्ने हो. यदि छैन भने verb 2 छ भने did not plus verb 1 गर्ने हो. यदि if there was were, we should use not. I have already taught you auxiliary verb. What are the auxiliary verb? Is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, will, shall, should, can, could, may, might, ought to. These are the auxiliary verb. Hey. After auxiliary verb, if we use not, that is negative. यदि auxiliary verb छ भने त्यसको पछाडि not थप्ने नेगेटिभ बन्छ. छैन भने सिम्पल पास्टमा हामीले के गरिन्छ भन्नुहुन्छ भने सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड नट प्लस verb 1 प्लस सब्जेक्ट. डिड नट लगाउने हो है, अनि बेस verb अनि verbलाई verb 1 गर्ने हो. यसरी नेगेटिभ गर्ने हो. ओके, अरु टेन्सको म क्लासमा हजुरलाई सिकाउँला है. आई हाड अ पेन. त हजुरले आई हाड अ पेन है. यसमा के छ हेर्नु त. आई डिड नट हाभ अ पेन. किन डिड नट होला? हाइड verb 2 भन्यो यसलाई. verb 2 auxiliary verb छैन, यो दिए मेन verb है. यो मेन verb भएर आएको छ, त्यसलाई डिड नट गरियो. याद गर्नुस्. he was here yesterday. he was not here yesterday. अनि त was को पछाडि के गर्यो? नट लाग्यो. तर हाइड भन्दा बित्तिकै हाइज, हाइभ, हाइड दे आर अल्सो द एक्सन verb. तिनीहरू मेन verb भएर आउँछन्. यदि यसको हाइडको पछाडि verb 3 छ भने हामीले हाइडको पछि नट लाउने. यदि हाइडै मेन verb भएर आछ भने यसलाई डिड नट प्लस हाइभ गर्ने है. Okay, they were in the park. They were not in the park. I ate my toast. I did not eat my toast. Okay, this is the example. From this example, we should do the exercise 3. We should write the exercise 3. यस्तै गरी exercise 3 हजुरले गर्ने हो है. सबैजनाले यो हेर्नुहोस्. Okay, we should read number 3, page number 33. The number 1, I made the bed. The question is, I made the bed. Now change the following statement into negative. Negative गर्ने हो. I made the bed. Okay, made is verb 2. Therefore, I did not make the beds. What is the correct sentence? I did not make the beds. Number B. The party was great. The party was not great. The party was not great. Number C. You built a house. Built. There the verb 2. Okay. Therefore, we should use did not. You did not build. B-U-I-L-D गर्नु होला है. a house. BUILD है यो जुन build 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 BUILT built verb 2 छ त्यो त्यसलाई BUILD गर्ने you did not build a house BUILD. Okay, number D, they were out of towns to visit their relatives. They were not out of towns to visit their relatives. Okay, they were not out of towns to visit their relatives. Number E, she asked a lot of questions. She did not ask a lot of questions. She did not ask, ASK only, a lot of questions. Number F, we went shopping yesterday. We did not go shopping yesterday. We did not go shopping yesterday. Okay, went go verb 1 go गर्नुस्. Okay, number G, my dad had a wonderful car. My dad did not have a wonderful car. My dad did not have a wonderful car. I have already told you, यदि had मात्रै भएर आएको छ भने त्यसलाई हामीले के एक्सन verb 2 मानिन्छ अनि त्यसलाई did not गरेर यसलाई फेरि have मा चेन्ज गर्ने. Okay, listen it again. My dad did not have a wonderful car. Okay, this is today this exercise finished. Then your homework is you should do all the exercises in your copy and send to me. Okay, thank you, bye, see you later.